Good morning and welcome, students. I am your social science teacher Namisha. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. So, today I am going to teach chapter number 10. Listen, beta, carefully. After that, chapter number 5, we are coming to the unit 3, transport and communication, chapter number 10. But the name of chapter is moving near and far. Moving near and far. So in this chapter, beta, we will read about how means of transport were involved, how the invention of engine were brought a revolution in the development and different means of transport like roadways, railways, waterways and airways. So let's start with the chapter. So beta, in this chapter we are often visit different places in our town or a city. You are going through you are going a different your village, you are going to the market, you are going to the another cities as well. So sometime we are travel to other city or our country, or sometime we are go to the another country. So we use a different means of transport according to the distance. If you want to go in a market, so you are taking another type of means of transport. If you are going to the village, you are taking the another means of transport. So according to the distance or according to the area, we can use a different type or different means of transport or a conveyance. So however, in a previous time or the earlier time, when there is no means of transport, have you know that na this ये तो invention अभी हुआ है. So in a earlier time or the early man, how they are moving from one place to another, and people had to walk for a long distance as well. So that they to carry loads of their shoulder with the passage of time. They are carry their नाउ यू आर टेकिंग अभी आप बहुत सारे ट्रैवल्स में आप क्या लेते हैं, आप कार यूज़ करते हैं, बाइक यूज़ करते हैं. बट इन द अर्लियर टाइम पीपल यूज टू कैरी लोड्स ऑन देयर शोल्डर. ओके, आफ्टर द लर्न टू मेक स्लेज, they are making the sleighs also, a wheelless cart. What is the meaning of sledge? A vehicle without wheel that is used for traveling on snow. Have you got my point? What is that meaning of sledge? It is a wheelless cart. In this cart there is no wheel, and in this wheel without wheels that is used for traveling a snow. In vehicle हम जब स्नो पे ट्रैवल करते हैं तो वी कैन यूज दैट स्लेज. अ स्लेज वॉज पुल्ड बाय मैन और एनिमल. हु विल पुल्ड दिस स्लेज? मैन और एनिमल. After the invention, what is that meaning of invention? Invention, a thing that has been made or something for a first time. When any person making a thing on a first time na beta, so that is called a invention. The invention of wheel, men started to make a cart fitted with the wheels such as horse cart and bullock cart. Then after that wheel beta, man was used for go one place to another place with the help of cart. Have you seen that cart? Bullock cart and horse cart. What is that horse cart? A cart pulled by horse. Okay, a cart, किसको, एक cart को कौन खींचता था? Horse. And who was driven by the driver. And basically beta, it is used for a transport goods. ठीक है. And what is the bullock cart? Same as that, a cart pulled by the bullock. Okay, so this is the bullock cart. Often we visit places one different or town or a city. Have you seen in the picture also? This is the horse cart beta, and this is the bullock cart. Okay, oh sorry, this is the sleighs. So often we visit different places or a town, other city. Sometimes we travel the city of our country, and sometimes we go to the another country. Have you got my point? Sometime we are going the other city and sometime we are go to the other country. We can use different means of transport according to the distance or our convenience. So the logs of wood floating on water gave the idea of different raft. With the passage of time, boats are replaced raft. In the previous time, beta, people used to go in a waterway. They used a wooden floating राफ्ट, यानी कि लकड़ी की राफ्ट बना के वी आर कोइंग का बोट टाइप बना के दे आर मूविंग वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. बट आफ्टर टेकिंग अ टाइम राफ्ट को किसने रिप्लेस किया? बोट्स ने एंड शिप्स ने. इन्वेंशन ऑफ इंजन. Again I am saying, what is the meaning of invention? Invention meaning the important thing that has been made or a something for a first time. जब कोई first time कोई चीज़ बनाता है, introduce करता है, that is called a invention. The invention of engine revolutionized. What is that meaning of revolutionized? To change something completely और इन गुड मैनर. जब कुछ चेंज होता है completely and in good. So the invention of engine revolutionized the whole transport system. First engine, steam engine, which was powered by the steam. It was invented by who? James Watt. The first steam engine invented by the whom? James Watt. Steam engine helped to develop rail transport. Have you sitting on the rail transport? Yes. In due times, diesel engine. Beta, when the engine was introduced by James Watt, that time they were moved by the steam, and after that the rail transport, railways or engine used by the diesel was invented with the help of development and land and water and transport. Electric engine was developed later. Right now we are also using a electric engine. In later of years, aeroplane was invented. As the time passed, men keep developing faster and better means of transport. Beta, according to the time and according to the route, we are just going to a different type of transport. If we are going faster, अगर हमें कहीं जल्दी जाना है तो we have to take a air transport. If we are going for a nearby in our location, so we are going to the land transport. We are taking help for the land transport. If we are going in far from our city, we are taking as a rail transport. So as the time passed, men kept developing faster and better means of transport. Science and technology has helped to men transport wheel like a metro train, monorail, bullet train, modern cars, ship, etc. So beta, here is a different type of transport. Here is a 4 different type of transport. Listen class, you can also miss this graph on your notebook as well. So there is a different type of transport: roadways, railways, waterways and airways. Again I am saying roadways, railways, waterways and airways. So these are the different type of transport. So now we are reading about the roadways. In an earlier time, most roads were kacha roads. Have you know that road were making up what? Made mud and stones. These were not suitable for modern means of transport. Okay, so that time there was a kacha roads, so it is not suitable. And now therefore wider and smoother roads began to build. Wider means chauda. Now have you seen the roads? There was a wider means chauda, and smoother means completely flat surface, not holes, no any lumps, no any holes. These roads allow easier to travel people as well as goods. And now the roads were made up of concrete. ठीक है, now roads were made up of concrete. Concrete means there is a hard substance made for a cement. ओके, सीमेंट से बनता है, मिक्स विद द सैंड, वाटर एंड स्मॉल स्टोन्स. हैव यू सीन इन द नियर बाय एरिया ऑल्सो, आपने देखा ही होगा. कॉन्क्रीट यूज होता है. यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका हैज़ अ लार्जेस्ट नेटवर्क ऑफ रोड. यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका लार्जेस्ट नेटवर्क ऑफ रोड. इंडिया हैज़ द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट नेटवर्क ऑफ रोड आफ्टर चाइना. एंड रोड्स दैट कनेक्ट मेजर सिटी country are known as highways. Beta, it is your keywords also. So the roads who are the main roads connecting to the main road, it's known as highways, freeways or expressways. Many countries are connected by roads. Many countries किससे connected है? रोड से. The US is connecting to Mexico, Canada by road. Many countries in Europe are connected by roads. India too is connected by road in neighboring countries like Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Yes beta, India is also connected with the road with the Nepal. यानी कि अगर हमें नेपाल जाना है तो we can take the roadways as well. If you want to go in the Bhutan, so we are also going with the roadways, Pakistan and Bangladesh as well. So in today's class we are taking rest of class here only. Listen beta, these four different type of means of transport, and this picture you can paste in your notebook as well. Thank you so much class.